attic, attic, attic,
attic, attic, attic,
backyard, backyard, backyard,
backyard, backyard, backyard,
balcony, balcony, balcony,
balcony, balcony, balcony,
basement, basement, basement,
basement, basement, basement,
closet, closet, closet,
closet, closet, closet,
guest room, guest room, guest room,
guest room, guest room, guest room,
hall, hall, hall,
hall, hall, hall,
hallway, hallway, hallway,
hallway, hallway, hallway,
home office, home office, home office,
home office, home office, home office,
laundry room, laundry room, laundry room,
laundry room, laundry room, laundry room,
nursery room, nursery room, nursery room,
nursery room, nursery room, nursery room,
pantry, pantry, pantry,
pantry, pantry, pantry,
porch, porch, porch,
porch, porch, porch,
stairs, stairs, stairs,
stairs, stairs, stairs,
storage room, storage room, storage room,
storage room, storage room, storage room,
toilet, toilet, toilet,
toilet, toilet, toilet,
attic, backyard, balcony, basement, closet, guest room, hall, hallway, home office, laundry room, nursery room, pantry, porch, stairs, storage room, toilet.
Love English? Love fun? Then hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a new lesson.